Struggling to lose weight but feel like your wallet is holding you back? What if I told you that healthy eating doesn't have to break the bank? Imagine cutting out those $5 coffees and fast food stops. Yes, it's possible to eat healthy without spending more than you usually do. Start by focusing on the produce aisle. Fresh fruits and vegetables can be surprisingly cheap and nutritious. Think about it. A 10-pound bag of potatoes costs the same as a tiny box of Hamburger Helper but offers so much more food. Grains and legumes like brown rice, quinoa, and lentils are not only healthy but also incredibly affordable and filling. Going vegetarian, even just one day a week, can save you a lot of money. Try incorporating meat into dishes as bite-sized pieces rather than big fillets. If you have the time, growing and canning your own food can be a game-changer for your budget. Bulk buying, like pick your own blueberries, can also save you money. Freeze them for later use and enjoy the savings. Salads can be quick and easy if you prep all your veggies once a week. Store them in labeled baggies for a fast, nutritious meal. With a little creativity and planning, you can lose weight and eat healthy without making a huge dent in your budget. Start today and see the difference. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest weight loss tips.